our troops to these areas that are quite dangerous. They have sacrificed a lot, and again, it takes a lot of passion from them and patriotism.
Order. Honorable member, you are crisscrossing the floor. Just go back. In fact, and you did it twice. Let him go back and just do the correct thing. Let him proceed back, honorable member who's on his feet. Go back and just come back to the house in an orderly way. Please, please. Don't crisscross the house. This is a house of rules, order. It's not a marketplace, please. Thank you, Honorable. You may proceed, Honorable Nyomi.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. And I was saying that our troops, when we send them to some of these areas, it has taken them a lot of courage and sacrifice, and some of them have young families, and they're exposed to a lot of danger. They leave their families when they are not sure of coming back, and as a result of that, many children have been orphaned and young women have been widowed. Mr. Speaker, the only thing that we can now say at the moment is to condone with the families that are affected, and also request the government to give them all the necessary support that these families need. Number one, they are psychologically traumatized, and so they need some counseling and better support. And even when we send them, special grants should be put aside so that in case of anything, the families can be attended to urgently, and as we release them, the type of